Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Xeno not compatible with Roblox. First, verify Xeno's official compatibility with the current Roblox version. Ensure both Xeno and Roblox are updated to their latest versions. Also, check your internet connection for stability and speed. A stable connection is crucial for both applications to function correctly, preventing many common errors before they even start. This initial check saves a lot of troubleshooting time. Next, let's tackle common software conflicts. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall software, as they can sometimes block legitimate applications. Close all unnecessary background applications to free up system resources. Finally, run both Xeno and Roblox as an administrator. This ensures they have the necessary permissions to operate without interference, often resolving compatibility issues caused by restricted access. If the problem persists, a clean slate is often the best approach. Perform a complete reinstallation of both Xeno and Roblox. Make sure to clear the Roblox cache and any temporary files afterward. This removes any corrupted data that might be causing the incompatibility. Also, check for any corrupted game files within Roblox itself, as these can lead to unexpected errors. For more advanced troubleshooting, ensure your graphics drivers are updated to their latest version. Outdated drivers can cause unexpected performance and compatibility issues. Check Xeno's official forums or support channels for known issues or community-driven solutions. If all else fails, contact Xeno or Roblox support directly. They can provide personalized assistance and specific solutions for your unique setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.